Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're about to take this 20B rx3 for a drive. A lot of parts have come from Pac Performance in Australia. It's doing easy 600-700 horsepower with the sequential, so yeah, let's go for a drive.
This was David Palmer's old car out of Auckland. Used to run the Rego Easy 11s on it. So I ended up procuring it about a year ago. And yeah, through our workshop, Haywire Rotorsport, started all the fabrication and stuff to convert it to a triple rotor turbo. So yeah.
Nice man. What sort of power and turbo specs?
Oh, power.
I'll put you on the spot.
We run it up on Wednesday, and I actually was keeping it under my belt. But yeah, so we're making 670 horse, so 500 kilowatt on its initial tune-up. So they're pretty stout numbers. Still on pump fuel, 20 pound, running excessive lower intake manifold with 6 injectors, but we're only 9 injectors, but we're only using 6. So yeah, so it's really just cruising for it. This I've configured it around the Pulsar, so PSR turbo, so it's got a G42 1450 on it. Yeah, which is interesting. So that's just the high-end Garrett copy essentially, and it's doing the damage. So yeah, we've got that and 6-speed sequential. Boys at Pac New Zealand, so Azar has given us all the goods. 90 litre tank, Pac 9-inch diff, brake kit, a big popper cooling package. So no, it's good. We've got some Aussie gear in there as well. When it comes to being able to just bolt it straight in, it's powder coated, ready to go, and you can just actually plug it up, essentially plug and play, and get stuck in. So yeah.
Rocky and George, I think, have thought of everything. So every nut and bolt washer, it's all in the Pac.
Yeah, we essentially everything else is all in the Pac. You don't really need to do any hard thinking, you know. As it's got all the struts set up, so they come with all of the crack test paperwork and stuff for our LVV certification and that. Yeah.
It's in the Pac from Pac.
That's right. Yeah, Pac from Pac. So yeah, we'll take it for a burn. Yeah.
What have I got myself into? was awesome. I hope everyone enjoyed that because yeah, a lot of information, bro.
Yeah, no worries. All good, man. No, I appreciate it, eh? And yeah, I hope you're enjoying your time over here. It seems to be a more frequent stop for you these days.
Yeah, I'm loving NZ.
Yeah. Cool.